Hey, good people, this is Byrd, your curvy sewist, and y'all know I'm out and about traveling. I'm in Seattle, Washington. Actually, this is Lynnwood, Washington, which is north of Seattle, and I've been here before. This is a really small, independent fabric store, amazing African fabrics. Let's go in and take a look around. So I am inside, and the folks here are so warm, charming, and inviting. And as soon as you come in, they immediately, engage, which I really love, having that personal touch. There are some ready-made African garments that you can choose from. And then let's just take a look around. It's a small store, but it is small but mighty. There are so many different African prints. This is Ankara, and it looks like these are all 6 yards each. And we're just at the beginning portion. Oh, this is cute. I like those colors. Oh, I like that. Really cute. Really pretty fabric. This I don't think is Ankara, but it's really gorgeous. And again, some other ready-made items. These fans, guys, if you don't own one of these, you want to have one of these. This baby is perfect for this weather. I love these. I have one that was given to me as a gift. Really something you may want to have. They have some jewelry, some purses, and then lots of other look at the embellishments on this fabric. And of course, I asked permission before I came in to take a look around and to bring you guys along. It's kind of weighty. It feels like it has a little bit of it's not really, it is a tiny little bit of it feels like a lining is what I'm trying to get out, but I'm not entirely sure. And I will ask and get more details on exactly the type of fabric that this is, but this is so gorgeous, perfect for a special occasion. Look at that. Look at the beading on that. Really, really pretty. More Ankara prints, all African Dutch wax prints. And these stickers are really something that you want to see because it helps to authenticate the fabric. So lots of choices here. And then they have a wall of different types. Look at that one. Isn't that neat? That is pretty, guys. That is really pretty. So lots of different types of Ankara, and I'm going to say African fabric because I don't know the specific types of all of the fabric that they have on display. But you can see many bright, vibrant colors. There are even some muted colors. So if sewing with a very bright Ankara is not your thing, you certainly have the option to work with more muted colors. So it doesn't always have to be the brightest. They have some small prints. They have some of the larger prints. So lots of different options. Okay. Let me do a little bit of a spin. And then more ready-to-wear garments. And I'm not really here for the ready-to-wear garments. You guys know I am here for the Ankara. So I am going to go ahead and take a deeper dive. And I know I want to pick at least one to take back home with me. We don't have these kind of stores back home that I can just walk in and purchase Ankara fabric. I mean, at Joann's, right? But not in an actual store that is owned and managed by people with African descent, which is where I like to buy my African fabric and Ankara fabric. So let me go ahead and get shopping, guys. I wanted to bring you along. Stay tuned for my fabric haul that will be coming soon so that you can find out what I purchased.